Text 8. Office. Office. To leave for. To leave for. Office. To leave for. My father works at an office. He goes to his office 5 or 6 days a week. He always leaves for his office at 8 o'clock. He doesn't go to his office on foot. He usually drives to his office. Italian, Spanish, French. Italian, Spanish, French. Beautiful, beautiful. Foreign languages, foreign languages. He speaks 3 foreign languages: Spanish, French, and Italian. His favorite foreign language is Italian because it is very beautiful. Italy, Spain, France. Italy, Spain, France. Clients, but, hard. Clients, but, hard. My father has a lot of clients. He often calls his clients, but sometimes he writes emails. He often flies on business. He flies to Italy, Spain, and France. He always works very hard. He comes home at 7 or 8 o'clock in the evening. Text 9. University. University. My name is Tom. I study at university. I go to university 5 days a week. I usually go to university on foot. I read a lot of books. I write a lot too. Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese. Chinese, Japanese, Portuguese. Difficult, difficult. I study 3 foreign languages: Chinese, Japanese, and Portuguese. My favorite foreign language is Japanese. It is difficult, but I read and write in Japanese a lot. I study very hard. Thank you.